Hi, my name is Brian Meseroll, Account Manager Government with OPSWAT. And today I'm going to talk to you about our OT to IT convergence. What is OPSWAT? Well, our mission is to protect the world's critical infrastructure. What is that, you ask? That's any technology or service that's essential to our everyday life, such as energy, nuclear facilities, food and agriculture, and most importantly, government. How that's done? Through two ways, files and devices. We believe trust no file, trust no device. Here to my right, our IT side, we have our MetaDefender platform, which is our cybersecurity platform for preventing and detecting advanced cybersecurity threats, which includes our multi-scanning, over 30 different AV engines scanning simultaneously, as well as our CDR, content disarm and reconstruction, which breaks down the file to its smallest bit into the source code, removes any threat vectors, and then completes that file, recreates it so it's ready to use. Also, our proactive DLP, data loss prevention. We're able to prevent, redact personal identifiable information loss and confidential information, as well as Meta Access, which is endpoint compliance. What we do, Meta Access, we make sure that devices comply before accessing any local resources or cloud-based applications. All right, what happens if we have employees or contractors moving in and out of sensitive areas at a point or a secure area? Removable media. Here we have our MetaDefender kiosk. These employees and contractors can bring in USB drives, hard drives, and they can insert it into the kiosk where it can be scanned leveraging our MetaDefender platform for any type of malicious content. And also if it's a laptop, for firmware updates, we can leverage MetaDefender Drive, a small USB that can be plugged into the laptop, leveraging once again our MetaDefender technology. Now, how do we get from our OT side into the air-gap network? That's where our secure NetWall comes into play. It's a unilateral secure gateway where data can flow through one way into the OT network, utilizing our best data diodes and firewalls. All right, so we have our OT network here to my left, where as you can see, we've got our HMIs and PLCs hooked into our valves, our actuators, our pumps. And from our secured NetWall into as you can see, the files are sent to our secure storage where they can be scanned as they enter, at rest, and in transit to make sure they're safe before reaching your OT network. At the top here, we have our neuralizer, which comes into play. Our visibility is key. You can have a total view of your OT network from this neuralizer. Country of origin, so if any bad actors or malicious content get into your system, the neuralizer will be able to see that. And lastly, we have our OT Fuse, which is your inline IDS, IPS, last line of defense, where it'll block anything outside the normal function range into your PLCs. I appreciate the time. Please reach out to me for any questions on the IT or the OT network side, and feel free to contact me. Thank you for your time.